Hey guys, this is once again James from PairFX.com. Okay, so today we're gonna start of course with the US Canadian. As we can see, first of all, we will be able to see on technical point of view that from a weekly chart, meaning every candle is 1 week, we'll be able to see a downtrend. On a daily chart, we'll be able to see how that pair moving in the range as we're seeing it right now. And of course, from an hourly chart, let's make it hourly just to show you what's happening right now in the market. You can see still that the pair is bouncing up and down, but the overall trend that is trying to reach for is that the US is stronger than the Canadian, and that happens of course, as we mentioned already a month ago, that in December we are seeing more and more sales in the US, we're seeing more investors in the US, and this is the main reason that right now, the holiday times, this is the main reason that the US getting stronger against the other currencies. Now let's move of course for the euro dollar, and that way you will be able to see how that pair moving on a daily chart in a downtrend. That downtrend is quite clear, as you can see right here, from up to down. And of course you will be able to see that also in the hourly chart. What's happening is that today specifically it started strong, but the overall trend, as you can see, it's sort of a downtrend. So we expected to see how the euro will continue to get weaker against the US, even though you're seeing that on the last 2 hours getting a bit stronger. Alright guys, so let's move forward, and that way of course we'll be able to see the pair USD CHF, the US against the Swiss franc, as we like to name it, the Swissy. And of course by that you will be able to see also how on the last few days on a daily chart that pair went up and up and up day by day. Now let's see what's happening today on the hourly chart, and on the hourly chart you will be able to see how that pair also moving in sort of a range, but once again on the last 2 hours is dropping down, even though the direction is that we'll be able to see a strong US and a weak Swiss franc. So keep your eyes on that. That was James from PairFX. Make sure that you're watching also the fundamental points of view that coming from all the areas regarding to the US, Swiss franc, Euro and Canadian. That will happen of course all over the week, and by that of course we'll be smarter to make the right decision just by analyzing the technical point of view. Take care. PairFX.com.